Join me as I dive into the world of real estate investing and see if I can master these 7 essential tips for success. Welcome to Real Estate Investing for Beginners. If you're new to the world of real estate, it can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. Having a solid foundation is crucial for any investment, and real estate is no exception. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when starting in real estate investing is a lack of knowledge. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making a deal, but without the right information, you can end up making costly mistakes. Another challenge is resources, whether it's not having enough capital or not knowing where to find the right properties. Additionally, many investors struggle with finding the right team, such as agents, attorneys, and contractors. And finally, managing your properties and tenants can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to the game. It's easy to get discouraged by these challenges, but the truth is, millions of people have overcome them and have successful careers in real estate investing. So, how do you succeed in this industry? Let's dive into the 7 essential tips that will help you get started. Tip number 1, set clear goals for yourself. What do you want to achieve through real estate investing? Are you looking for cash flow, appreciation, or tax benefits? Knowing what you want will help you focus on the right properties and strategies. Tip number 2, educate yourself. Continuously learn about the market, financing options, and laws that affect real estate investing. Tip number 3, start small and be patient. Don't try to tackle too much too soon. Start with one property and learn as you go. Tip number 4, build a strong team. Surround yourself with people who have expertise in areas you don't. Tip number 5, analyze deals carefully. Don't get caught up in the excitement of a deal, make sure you crunch the numbers and know what you're getting into. Tip number 6, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments across different types of properties and locations. And tip number 7, stay organized. Keep track of your finances, tenants, and properties to ensure everything runs smoothly. I remember a story about an investor who started with just one property and within a few years, had a portfolio of 10 properties and was making 6 figures in passive income. It wasn't easy, but they stuck to these tips and consistently applied them. The result was a life-changing level of financial freedom. When it comes to real estate investing, the key is to be consistent and persistent. Follow these 7 essential tips, and you'll be well on your way to success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current results, these tips will provide a solid foundation for your real estate investing journey. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on these tips, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on real estate investing, and tune in next time when we'll be diving into advanced strategies for taking your real estate investing to the next level.